Hey friends, if you encounter a Windows 11 black screen after login, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, if you are able to access apps after a while, then here's what you should do. Search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click on the display adapter and select Update Drivers. And then the next one is that other than updating drivers, you can do the following thing. You can search for system information, so system configuration in the Windows search bar, and then go to system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, select disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. And post this last option will be to what do we say, reset your computer. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down to recovery in the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and finally select the option for cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.